Small retailers on Tuesday expressed dismay over the sudden price cap implementation on select pork and chicken products, disclosing that their suppliers have yet to follow the mandated price range limit for the said food commodities. This after President Rodrigo Duterte on Monday afternoon ordered a 60-day price cap on kasim, pige, liempo, and dressed chicken following complaints of high food prices. Under Executive Order 124 signed on February 1, kasim and pige, which are being sold at around 380 pesos per kilogram, should now be sold at a maximum 270 pesos per kilo. Meanwhile, liempo should now be sold at 300 pesos per kilo from the current 400 pesos, and dressed chicken at 160 pesos per kilo from 180 pesos. Retailers at the Obrero Public Market in Manila said it is impossible to implement the price ceiling for now without facing losses, as their suppliers have not yet lowered the cost of the products.
Kami, pwedeng sumunod, bakit ang hindi? Pero dapat, bago ibigay yan sa amin, dapat yung ugat muna ang kanilang ang kanilang i-monitor. Kasi dapat yung ugat ang siyang ating kausapin na kung paano maibibigay sa amin ng naibebenta namin ng 270 at saka 300.
Kaya lang yung binibigay na price list ng DTI, hindi namin kaya ngayon dahil ang puhunan pa namin 370. O paano namin alangan naman tumubula kami 10 piso o ano, diba? Bibili pa kami ng plastic, magbabayad kami ng preso, magbabayad kami ng magtataga.
Sa katulad naming mahango lang, hindi kakayanin yung 300 isang kilo.
They said they can only lower the prices according to the government mandate once their suppliers do so first.
Di siyempre, pag nagbaba sila, bababa rin kami.
Siyempre, kung ano man yung sumusunod lang din kami.
Agriculture Secretary William Dar on Tuesday clarified that the price cap implementation will start next week, February 8. This means suppliers still have the time to gradually decrease prices of pork and other meat products, so retailers may also do so accordingly. In the meantime, consumers are happy with the price cap implementation, which they say would be a big help for them.
Malaki po. Siyempre po mas nakakatipid po yung mga tao sa bili. Hindi po katulad dati hindi makabili ng baboy dahil ang mamahal ng mga bilihin. Ano na lang ulay mo, gulay o kaya isda, ganun. Kasi isda din, mahal na din. Ano na kakainin ng mga tao? Wala na dahil tumataas na yung mga presyo ng bilihin.
Aba, siyempre ho, malaki. Yung 100, may mabibili ka pa ibang bagay. Kung yung 100 na yun, malaking bagay po yun talaga.
For One Media Network, this is Gillian Geronimo.